Hello YouTube and welcome to my trading channel, Trading the Trades. I'm like very happy to announce something good today, finally to you guys again. Okay, so I've been struggling the past month, struggling a lot, not executing correctly, not following my style, getting chopped up in micro ranges, all of the bad stuff. Okay, and now I'm like, finally, something has changed. Something in me has completely changed. I'm back to the old me, I'd say, like the guy that was profitable for around a year. But in June, like something just flipped and I was just trading awful. And then I just got into this rabbit hole that I got worse and worse. Like when time went on, and I think now I've kind of reflected what has changed, and I kind of just walk you through this a little bit in case you're struggling. This video is, in my opinion, especially important to those traders of you or those guys of you, and I do hope that I can give you some encouragement and like try to keep you on the right track and stuff like this. I hope it helps. I really do. And yeah, basically just if you were already profitable for a while and you think you had edge or you did have edge, and then like you kind of got back and then you started losing again and kind of like digging yourself a hole and then bigger and bigger of a hole. Yeah, that's basically the kind of audience that video I think directed to the most and kind of relates to the most. But I think it's important for everyone along the trading journey to watch this. So what did happen and how did I get out of it? Okay, so first what did happen is I'm trading with funded account. I'm trading with Apex. Okay, so I have like funded Apex account and I've been getting paid by them and stuff like this. But I kind of blew up. Okay, in May, or yeah, like in May, I introduced the trade copier that led to my first blow up. Like I've been trading my account profitable for ever, like or a long time, getting multiple payouts and stuff. Then I wanted to start this YouTube and I wanted to have bigger winners, so I introduced trade copier to it. I kind of messed up with the settings and it just yeah, then I blew up the first time, but I recovered fast because I didn't get this loose get to me, to be honest. Like I knew it was my fault. Obviously I took full responsibility, but I kind of said, okay, it was kind of due to trade copier. So I bounced back. I took it slow, the right way, got funded again, like just trading the right way, not kind of like how should I say it, like over or trading too much size or anything, just my system. So I did very well in May, into June, into early June as well. And then I blew up again. And then is where it's really like kind of tilted me a bit because it was my first real blow up, like in a while. And I kind of, yeah, not felt the best, to be honest. And then I kind of revenge traded. I just YOLO the evaluations again, like which I did in the very beginning when I started trading. So I kept on YOLOing them again, not respecting anything, getting back into my old habits. And yeah, that's the bad old habits that came back in this time. Also, the market environment kind of changed. We had lower volatility, so my edge stopped working that well. And basically all this is what happened. But now let's get to the good part of the video. How I think I got out of it. I only out like 2 or 3 days now, but it's just some feeling I have. Like I'm feeling like a different trader. I'm executing like a different trader. I'm seeing the market in a different way again, like just like I used to. So, and how do I think that happened? So basically, the thing that I struggled with is I always I record my screen, and like if you're a new trader, for example, you're probably not even yet recording your screen, then I highly recommend you record your trading sessions. Okay, you need to record your trading session in order to review footage and get better footage. Okay, so I kind of started to review my trading session, and I always review my last week of trading sessions. Okay, so like the last couple trading sessions basically. And the thing is, I was executing poorly. I was trading bad. I was basically a little bit on tilt, and then trading like I was tilted, okay, for around a month. And then I was also rewatching all the time the trading footage, which caught me trading on tilt, you know. So I was watching and rewatching all these bad habits that I've kind of had 1 or 2 years ago, and like now I'm kind of relearning these old habits by actually doing them while I'm trading, and then like rewatching them, and it kind of programs back into my unconscious mind. Um, so then I did blow up. I did get funded again and blow up again because I traded off stream, broke my rules, I scaled into a loser, whatever. Okay, no, not whatever now. And then I was really down. I was really feeling like, oh, geez, like my edge kind of stopped working as well. But I think if I executed correctly, I could still be around break even or make small money. But I wasn't executing, and my edge was not strong enough to handle the bad executions. So basically, yeah, your edge can stop working for a bit, and you can kind of still, if you stick to your rules and stuff, you can still get into just a small drawdown or pretty much break even. But if you're executing poorly and your edge loses some of its edge, I'd say, or is your edge is break even and you're executing purely, then you just like down. And yeah, so that's where I was at, and then I was starting to doubt myself. I was thinking, first time in like forever basically, that I thought this last weekend I've even thought about like maybe I should kind of hang up trading for a bit, or don't know, like. But then I've started this community, I've started my homepage, I put so much work in, and like I know I can do it. I know I have edge, I know I have a good read on the market. And I was thinking, okay, maybe I should switch the product. I should switch to NQ because it's more volatile, and the ES is not volatile yet anymore. I switch to bonds and stuff. And then something cool happened. Like someone reached out to me. Like, and I think that's where a community and having basically just having a trading community, okay, so a good positive trading community with good people, with people who are really like on the same journey as you, okay, putting the work in, not just random guys who think trading is super easy and looking for buy sell indicators, but really people that put the time in, put the work in, that love trading, okay, the way you do. Maybe you've been through some of those ups and downs already along the journey, and I think this has so much value. That's why I kind of try to build my community. If you're like still watching this video and you're not in my community, check the link. I put the pinned comment or in the description. So tradingthetrades.com is my homepage, and I also have a Discord, stuff like this. All is for free. All my stuff will always be for free. I'm wanting to become eventually a 7-figure trader. That's my goal, long-term goal, obviously. not even close there yet. It's a process, but I think I will get there eventually. And I really believe, I try to believe in myself. But I'm drifting off now. So back where I was at. So I was struggling, and then this trader kind of reached out to me. Okay, he just DM'd me on Discord, and he said, "Hey, I feel so sorry for you. I've been watching your streams since you started, basically since 2 months ago or so. You were a lot better actually earlier, and now you're kind of like, it's so painful to watch you trade. You executing where you don't have edge. You getting chopped up. It's try to execute where you have higher time frame edge. Like you are a good trader. Like that. That's what I really needed in this sentence, to be honest. Like I was just doubting myself a lot. And he just said to me like, okay, I am a good trader, basically. Okay, he said, I see you're a good trader, and this in me, like, I don't know, it just gave me some confidence back, to be honest. And also that he said, okay, I need to execute at better places that actually have edge, okay, not execute just based off the DOM and order flow. So then I sat down, okay, on the next session, and I thought, okay, now I really have to stick to this. So I'm giving this my last chance, okay? This is my last chance. I need to take this 100% serious, okay? Just trading on an eval. That's not a funded account right now. I'm trading it. I'm close to passing it right now, only $500 away. But I'm not YOLOing it. I'm treating it like 100%, like it's my own money. And if I blow this account, I'm taking a long break of trading. So I really need to focus in here, trying to put some pressure on myself as well here. But just to really like, okay, I need to pick my trades correctly and stuff. So then I looked for good setups. I was tried to be confident, and then like everything changed. Like all of a sudden, I was executing like the old me again, which comes down to I also rewatched some of the old footage. So I also went back and stopped watching all this stuff from 1 2 weeks 3 weeks ago, okay, where I was executing poorly. I started to watch, and that's something I really want to have you guys to take away, okay? So if you were profitable a while ago, okay, and now you're struggling, don't watch all those struggling sessions on its own, okay? It's important to watch your bad sessions as well, okay? But because you need to work on your mistakes, obviously. But also go back in time when you were doing good, okay? Especially if your confidence is such a huge factor in trading. So go back to your sessions. Go back to I went even back like some old sessions I didn't even have on this Discord, on this YouTube channel, which I had on my old Discord, or which I had back before I started streaming it on YouTube, which I had on my hard drive stored, and just watch those sessions. And I just sat there and watched myself trade well, okay? Like when I was doing very well, I watched these sessions, like, and I kind of see, okay, I am a good trader. I know I can do this. Like, look at this. I'm sitting there doing all the right things, executing correctly, trusting myself, like pulling the trades when I need to, like everything I was doing, everything right. And I saw myself doing everything right. Then I thought to myself, okay, I can do this. I am a good trader. So that gave me all this confidence and to go in there and to attack the market and to be profitable finally again. And now I'm finally feeling this again. I'm executing. I'm confident again. I'm feeling the market again. I'm seeing the stuff for what it is. And this is so important. So it also has, obviously, there came back in some more volatility that also suited my edge a bit. So it's not just that. It's never one thing. Also have tried to get some more discipline back in my life in general. I talked about this the other video I made. So if you lack discipline in your life overall, I do think it kind of gives you a lack of discipline in your trading as well, which was also kind of bad. So it was a lot of things put together, okay? And also I kind of like thought that a little bit, I'm a very fast-paced scalper, but I'm kind of now only executing at places I planned out ahead in time and where I do think there's like at least intraday edge in it, okay? And then I'm like looking for a scalp there, not just scalping what I've seen on the dominant order flow, okay? So these are the main huge takeaways. Just please record your screen, okay? Please record your trading session. If you ever find yourself struggling, okay, don't focus too much on the bad. Obviously, it's important to watch your mistakes and stuff like this, and everybody's individual. But if you're struggling with confidence in your trading, like go back to the time when you were doing good. Watch those big winning trades where you were executing correctly, where you were doing everything right, everything according to plans, following your rules, stuff like this. If you go back there and watch this and see yourself do very well, then you will get your confidence back, in my opinion. And confidence and trust in your setup is such a big deal. Yeah. So I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I've been like rambling here for a bit. If you did watch it till the end, I really appreciate it. I appreciate every subscriber on my YouTube. Again, check out my channel, it's my homepage. I'm building for our community. Check out my live streams if you want to. Check out our Discord. I'm really trying to build a cool trading community, okay? And I'm always willing to help everyone. If you have any questions, like just hit me up. I'm answering, okay? If you do want to support me, like I said, I am never gonna charge for anything ever, period, okay? Like not even for one-on-one. Like if you want, or I love talking trading. If you want kind of one-on-one session with me and just picking my brain a bit, I'm down. Like if I have nothing to do, I'll coach you for free. Obviously, I'll always do everything for free. Promise, okay? But if you still want to support me in some kind of way, if you are trading with a prop firm, I do appreciate if you use my Apex affiliate link. I'm 100% transparent about my affiliate earnings as well. So 8 people already signed up with my coupon code. So yeah, it's about $20. So see, like if you give, you get. That's the opinion I have. And I try to give as much as I can, all for free. And something comes back eventually. And yeah. That's just my 2 cents on that. But please don't just sign up with Apex if you don't have Edge. Okay, like if you want, if you kind of like don't have Edge and are not profitable on Sim for a long time, you should not waste money on AWALs, in my opinion. Okay, if you're profitable on Sim for a while, go with AWALs, and I do think like Apex are the best in the business. So with that being said, out from me, and see you guys in the next video.